Hi, it's Wellspring Relief. Let's work together to help people support Civic Centers and to work to make a home, any home, more comfortable. Show people how to make use of old clothing and most of all, give a much-needed new copy machine and supplies to the Civic Center in the selected towns. We will also send health bar snacks to give the participants energy to do their work. Our focus will be civic centers in the United States, friendly countries, individuals, and simply put, areas where people have had their homes destroyed by fire, flood, earthquakes, wind, or war. Yes, soon we can reach people affected by wars, but for now, we will focus on natural and man-made disasters. Remember that a home is a dwelling, a nest, a habitat, a retreat, an oasis, a respite, a hub, a heaven, a haven, a happening, a dream, a bevy, a party, a solace, a library, an education, a come-as-you-are, a formal avenue, an eatery, a sleep-in, an entertainment center. It seems as though it is never closed, and the value living in it is never lost. Please make a donation of any amount. We can help restore the peaceful, quiet enjoyment for as many people as possible who experience the disasters of fire, flood, wind, and war. After checkout, there is a colorful, wonderful 5-minute video for you to enjoy. Thank you.